Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Once again, J Dolls UK, and joining us again as a guest host, Rosie's Toy Chest, and I are all doing Dolls Gone Goth. Coming up December 16th is Dolls Gone Goth Nightmare for Nightmare Before Christmas. You can do anything with your dolls you like. You can dress them in something with the Nightmare Before Christmas. Walmart did have the fabrics on sale. I got a yard of this for $4.20, I think it was. So I went ahead and bought another yard. Or you can show us some nightmare dolls or anything Nightmare Before Christmas. Jay at J Dolls and I are having so much fun that we are extending the Dolls Gone Goth. We'll tell you more about that in January, but I do want to remind you that I forgot to put her over here anyway. We're doing Creepy Clowns in January 16th. Dolls Gone Goth is always on the 16th of the month. Linger is going to get a face, I'm not sure it's going to be a face up, but a face change before January. I hope you'll come back and see. We'd like to invite every single person in the doll community or toy community or YouTube community to join us for the Nightmare Before Christmas. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please be sure to go by J Dolls UK and Rosie's Toy Chest. Watch their videos. Please subscribe to Rosie. Let's get her to 125 by Christmas. Thank you for watching our channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.